Creator, Mother Earth, and Mother Ailan. So I hope you enjoy this song tonight. This is about home, this is about connection, roots, and culture. I hope you enjoy the song, Mother Ailan.
Winds are blowing through the trees, and I can feel the energy of the spirit of my people. Waves are splashing on the beach, the sand is wet beneath my feet. This is my island, and if you hear the call, I'll see eagle. Well, Warwick up is talking, yeah, yeah. And if you feel the breeze from the east, side carries calling. Mother Island is my home, a special place where I come from. This is my island, Mother Island is my home, a special place where I belong. This is my island.
I love my Arab island. I love my Arab island. I love my Arab island.
Sun will rise and set each day. The moon is sleeping in the bay. Time is never ending. Crystal clear, that water pure. Just taste the naturalness of her. This is my island. Do you see my people around you? Love it every day, just love them. And do you touch the earth?